In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille assembly on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. This is located right in the front of your vehicle. Okay, let's get started on replacing our grille assembly. To remove this, we're going to start down along this area. You'll find that you have this metal bracket. We want to make sure that we dislodge all 4 clips holding the grille to that metal bracket. You can easily do that using a small pocket screwdriver. Once all 4 of those are dislodged, continue on to your 6 8mm headed mounting nuts that hold the grille to the hood. There's one. Once you have everything broken free, continue on to grabbing onto that grille and removing it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready for our installation. You remember, as we had removed the grille, it had several studs coming off of it, and each of those studs needs to fit into their corresponding holes as we push this into position. Once you feel as though you have it lined up, gently press it in against the hood. Lift the hood. Let's move along to resecuring all of our plastic tabs. Before you do, just ensure that they're all in the proper positioning. If you needed to, you can carefully pull the grille away and put these back to the proper position. Once you're sure it's right, continue on to squeezing it in to lock it down. Let's continue on to our 8mm headed nuts. We'll start on all 6 of these. Once they're all started, snug them up. Close the hood, make sure the grille's secured properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.